Hey, this is Creole Ken. I'm going to show you how we're going to change a air filter on a New Holland tractor, Workmaster 50 to be Pacific. This is a new filter. You can look here, the part number. I'm also going to double check right there. If you look closely, up here, same part number. I'm going to turn it that way a little bit. So basically, to get the filter off, you have this little cap. It's held on by three little locking lugs situated around the exterior. All we're going to do is just remove that cap and just pull this filter out. So this is the old filter cartridge. And then what we end up doing also is the inner filter. This is a dual air filtration system. We're going to vacuum clean this or shake it off to make sure there's no dirt or stuff like that. And the other thing I do is I wipe the inside of this housing out. Let's see if I can get up in there. This housing, just to get any dirt or any kind of debris that might be sucked up from the intake on the filter. I mean, it's an easy job. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you know, if you just take your time. But this is the inner cartridge. Let's see, can we look up in there? And I kind of expected, if I see any excessive dirt, I wipe it off with a cloth, let it dry. Let me see here. I don't know if I can get the camera. That's the inner filter. You almost never have to change the inner filter. Just FYI. On the exterior, external ones, when they get clogged up, the performance on the machine will start showing some bad, performance, excessive fuel usage, etc. So just double check everything, wipe everything down, and then you can put everything back on the Workmaster and be done. Again, this is Creole Ken, Workmaster 50, air filter cleaner. And there goes our canister. I'll send you all the part numbers in the video description link. Again, 10-15 minutes worth of work, if that. There she goes. And we get our filter back in.